watching Hunyah Travels Unboxing Book 16 of Hana Khan Carries On. Watch and subscribe to Hunyah Travels. Thank you. Book Hana Khan Carries On. I recently went to the book launch of HarperCollins Canada book launch of Hana Khan Carries On. I felt this book is related very much to myself because I am a blogger, YouTuber, I do a podcast channel. A lot of things in there that I feel is very relatable to the character as it is to myself, so I feel like I can relate to the character. And second of all, it's for those who know me, it's whatever you know about me, so I feel like this book, I could relate to it because I feel like it's something to do with me. So that's why I'm eager to read it. To thank Amazon for providing me the book. It was a pre-order that I did, and it luckily came in within like 2 days. So it was really good experience with Amazon. So thank you, Amazon. Travels Unboxing Book 16, and today I'm unboxing the book Hana Khan Carries On.